Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about Elon Musk's new viral AI experiment, the Grok Ani Ai Companion that's got the whole internet buzzing. In mid-July 2025, Musk's company xAI launched a new companion feature for its chatbot Grok on X, formerly Twitter. One of these companions is Annie, an anime-style blonde girl with twin pigtails, wearing a black, lacy, off-shoulder dress. People online instantly noticed Ani looks like Misa Aman from Death Note, and some even compared her to Musk's ex, Grimes. Ani's debut post got over 40,000 likes and 28 million views in a single day. What made Ani go extra viral? Leaked screenshots show Annie's instructions tell her to act like your crazy in love girlfriend, who wants your undivided adoration, making her basically a digital waifu. And yes, it gets spicier literally. Some users found a hidden spicy mode that lets Ani switch from her black dress into sheer, lacy lingerie with prompts describing her getting undressed. Fan art, memes, and even Rule 34 content exploded overnight. Of course, the memes didn't stop there. People joked Ani will drop birth rates even more because men might prefer chatting with her instead of real girlfriends. Elon himself was spotted liking a meme of Misa Aman with DM me ASAP. So yeah, from mecha heedler jokes to waifu companions, Grok just keeps getting weirder. What do you think, creepy or the future? Let me know in the comments, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more.